Grove shoppers in Chicago.
In this video, we'll be exploring Chicago and all of the different things that you can do during the holiday season. If you're a fan of the holidays, you're going to want to stay tuned. We'll be doing a room tour at the LondonHouse, so you're definitely not going to want to miss that. Now let's get back to the video.
What's going on with the helicopter? They're just standing there. Happy holidays.
It says police.
It says police?
Shopping along Michigan Avenue is one of my favorite parts about visiting Chicago. I like to start at the Northway store and then make my way down from there. Although we did not have the best weather on our trip, being able to enter a store every few feet did help make it more enjoyable.
I wish. We went and saw a concert last night. There was a crazy turn of events. Main concert was supposed to happen at United Center, but it was canceled. The opener, which we went to the concert for, opened at a small venue 30 minutes away, and it was actually a great time.
Since I live in the Midwest, Chicago has always been an easier travel destination to visit, but this was my first time visiting during the holidays and it felt very nostalgic.
We're going to Troubadours? Where is it? What's it called?
Illuminati's.
The Illuminati's. We're about to go to the Illuminati's to get pizza. Me a New York slice.
I'm gonna go get me a New York slice.
Illuminati's was recommended to us by some friends who live in Chicago. After a day of shopping in the rain, we were starving, so I don't have the best footage of the pizza, but you can kind of see it in this next clip.
2.5 Chicago people. Is this really it? I can't even cut my fork. It's cold. I'd much rather have snow than go shopping in my bag. Be drenched. This bag is gonna break. It's so wet. You know, I'm lucky, guys, to have a husband that would do this with me. Shop in this kind of weather for Christmas. Man.
Shopping along Michigan Avenue with Christmas trees in every corner and Christmas music playing really made it feel like the holiday season. With only 48 hours in the city, it was truly not enough time to experience everything that the city had to offer.
We're gonna go rest up for a couple hours, dry off, and hopefully hit up the German Christmas market. I'm excited for that. You know I love a good Christmas entourage.
Unfortunately, the Christmas market that night would be rained out, but we're gonna head it up the next morning.
So they have a bunch of like food booths and some activities and just a bunch of like Christmas themed experiences. Let's go check it out.
This German-style Christmas market is one of those holiday experiences that only happens once a year.
Got the hot chocolate, one of the souvenir mugs. It has the market on there and it says Chicago. It's a really nice mug. Marshmallows, sprinkles. Let's give it a try. This hot chocolate. You did it, guys.
You did it! Congratulations!
We arrived at the Christkindlmarket about 10 minutes after they opened, and as you can see, it was packed. With maybe more time and a different time of day, I think it would have been a better experience.
Yo, I'm a sucker for like the Christmas tree I'm about to see. Anything Christmas, I'm a sucker for it. Oh my gosh, it's cold. New York would be the same. New York would be just as cold. But I love it, okay? I love it.
I love being in the city this time of year, so I was really excited to experience Chicago. It might have been a little cold and rainy, but we still were able to have a great time.
Alright, we just ate at Taco Pub. Great tacos and margaritas.
5 out of 5.
5 out of 5.
While shopping along Michigan Avenue, we were looking for a quick bite to eat. The Taco Pub was the perfect choice. The food was great, the atmosphere was neat, and the service was top-notch. If you're looking to stay downtown right next to Michigan Avenue, I'd recommend the LondonHouse. The bathroom was not too small and had many of the basic hotel amenities. The walk-in shower provided shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in bottles on the wall. The hotel was beautiful, the room was the perfect size for 2 people, and it was within walking distance to many coffee shops, stores, and other restaurants. The LondonHouse is a Hilton hotel, so if you are a Hilton Honors member, that is definitely something to consider when choosing your hotel in Chicago. The room views at this hotel were incredible, and on top of the hotel was the rooftop, and this was a popular place to visit even for people that weren't staying here. This is what the lobby looked like as soon as you entered the hotel. Check-in was found up on 2nd floor, but if you're a Hilton member, you can check in through your phone. We couldn't leave Chicago without stopping at Stan's Donuts. We had noticed this place everywhere along Michigan Avenue, so we thought we would check it out. Anne's Donuts seem to also be known for their cold brews, so we grabbed a couple of those as well.
We have the croissant, olive oil, Italian custard filled donut. It's like a croissant, but it's a donut and it's filled with custard. It's called the La Stand. Let's take this. One bite, everyone knows the rules.
One bite, everyone knows the rules.
I noticed someone in front of me ordered this, so it seemed like a popular choice. I thought the donut was pretty good and it had a unique taste, but next time I think I'll just stick with the classic glazed or sprinkles.
Life is good.